We have a lot of stray cats here on the Black Mountain. This is not a problem for local people. They choose a few cats that they like very much and feed them once or twice a day. Now, because of global warming, cats don't have a mating season and kittens can be born all year round. This means that one cat can have 20 to 30 kittens every year. The salary isn't very high here, and paying to sterilise cats is very expensive. The government, charities and people who love animals try to solve this problem, but there are too many cats, so their programmes aren't very successful. Our town is near the sea, so it is very popular with tourists in summer. The visitors make friends with the stray cats and give them delicious food, canned cat food and chicken, pork, fish or beef from their dinner that the family didn't eat. Unfortunately, the tourist season is short, only 2 months. So when the visitors go home, the cats are hungry but too lazy to find food. We came to the Black Mountain in October. There weren't many tourists here in autumn, but there were a lot of hungry cats. And because of this, we started feeding the strays who live on our street.